Good evening. So let's discuss the second application, that is field due to an infinitely thin plane charge sheet. Actually it is what? It is an infinitely thin plate charge sheet. Okay. So on this charge sheet, evenly the positive charges are spread out over the surface of the sheet. So what happened? There will be only electric field either towards right or either towards left, because the charged the charges are spread over the surface of the sheet. Surface means this surface and this surface. So electric field will be in this way or in this way, not up and down. So to measure the electric field at a distance, then we have to take the Gaussian surface as a cylindrical Gaussian surface. So here we may take the cuboidal Gaussian surface. हम इसमें क्यूबोइडल गसियन सरफेस भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, so here both the Gaussian surface can be applicable. Both the Gaussian surface are symmetry, because we have to find the electric field towards this and towards this. So we may use the Gaussian surface, cuboidal or cylindrical, because we need this surface area. Because the electric field or electric flux coming out from this surface area and this surface area, there is no discussion about top and bottom surface area. So for that only cuboidal के केस में भी वही होगा. Only this surface area and this surface area will be discussed. Okay. So let's start. First of all, total charge, total flux coming out from, suppose you are taking it as surface 1 and it is surface 2. It is surface 2. So surface 2 has area A and surface 1 has area A. So total flux coming out from surface 1 is, what is that? Phi is equal to E dot S. We are just writing directly phi equal to E dot S. So here E dot S is what? S is the area, that is A. E dot A, because here we are taking it as surface area of this cylindrical Gaussian surface S equal to A. So E dot A. E dot A means E A cos theta. So here area vector and electric field both are parallel to each other, so theta will be equal to 0. So it will be E A cos 0 and it will be E A multiply 1, so it will be E A. It is from surface 1. So like this, similarly, phi 2 will be what? Phi 2 will be also EA. Phi 2 will also EA, that is coming through surface 2. Okay. So total flux will be what? Total flux through Gaussian surface through Gaussian surface is what it will be, phi equal to phi 1 plus phi 2. So phi 1 is what? EA, and phi 2 is what? EA. So it will be 2EA. Okay, but according to, so phi equal to 2EA, equation 1. According to Gauss law, what happens? Suppose here the total charge spread over this thin sheet, it is Q. So according to Gauss law, total flux will be phi equal to Q upon epsilon naught. It is equation. Okay. So here it is the total charge spread over this surface. So it will be equal to sigma A upon epsilon naught, that is phi. So why it will be sigma A? Because we know that surface density is equal to Q upon A, and it is Q equal to sigma A. So it is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, so दोनों इक्वेशन से आपको क्या मिला? 5 both are equal. So RHS will be equal. So it means 2EA equal to sigma A upon epsilon naught. So AA will be cancelled out, and E will be equal to sigma 2 will be downside. Here it is multiplied, and here it will be divided. So E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So this is what? This is your total electric field due to a thin plane charge sheet, and it is not at a distance because it does not depends upon distance. So here it depends upon what? Depends upon the charge density, that is its surface. So this is the total electric field due to a thin plane charged sheet. So that is E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Okay. So next is the third application is, there are actually 3 applications. One is linear charge density, means thin charged wire, and second is thin plane charge sheet, and third application is circular ring. But due to the reduction of 30% reduction of CBSE, the third application will be reduced from your syllabus, means that will not be taken in your syllabus as per the 30% reduction of CBSE. So only these 2 applications you will have to prepare for your exam. So have a good day. Good night to all of you.